In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task manager in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional setup that you can tailor to your workflow without building everything from scratch. First, open the Notion website in your browser. If you're already using Notion, just head to your workspace as usual. If you're new, don't worry, this process works great on a free account, and you can do everything right from the web. Once you're on Notion, click the Marketplace or Template Gallery. Depending on your view, this might appear as templates in the sidebar or a link at the top of the page. This is where Notion collects ready-made pages created by Notion and the community, so you can jumpstart your system instead of building it piece by piece. In the search bar, type Task Manager. You'll see a variety of templates designed for different needs, some minimal and lightweight, others packed with features. Take a moment to preview a few. Open the template pages, scroll through the screenshots, and read the descriptions. Look for key elements like a database for tasks, fields for due dates, priority, and status, and ready-made views such as board, list, calendar, or timeline. If collaboration matters to you, check that the template supports assigning tasks and tracking progress clearly. When you've found one that fits your style, select the template, click it, and then click Add. On some versions, you'll see a button like Use this template or Duplicate. Any of those will copy it into your workspace. Notion will create a new page for you with all the structure already in place, so you can start right away. From here, feel free to customize everything. Rename the page to match your project or team. Open the tasks database and fine-tune the properties. Adjust status options to match your workflow. Add or remove fields like priority, due date, tags, or owner, and pick colors that make categories easy to scan. Create additional views that help you focus, maybe a calendar for deadlines, a board grouped by status, and a list filtered to show only tasks due this week. Sort tasks by date or priority, so your most important work always floats to the top. You can also personalize the look with an icon and cover image, and add a short How to Use section at the top to keep your process clear. That's it. You opened Notion, visited the marketplace, searched for a task manager, selected a template, added it, and customized it to make it your own. Hit save, start adding your tasks, and enjoy a system that keeps you organized and on track.